Accolade owner, or are you considering a brand new Entegra Accolade? The Accolade is a great Super C, but if you are looking for more horsepower, more towing, more chassis, introducing the brand new Entegra Centurion 39K. This is a completely different animal, not just another Super C chassis. Serious commercial truck platform. If you bought an Accolade Super C because you wanted a Super C, and now you want to take it to the next level, the Centurion 39K features the Detroit 13 Gen 5 diesel 12.8 liter, developing 525 horsepower, 1,850 foot-pounds of torque. The Accolade 360 horsepower, 850 foot-pounds of torque. This is a heavy coach designed for towing. The transmission is a 12-speed automatic manual with an overdrive designed around the Detroit DD13 engine. Remember, horsepower gets the attention, torque gets the job done. The Accolade comes standard with a 12,000-pound hitch, the Centurion 20,000 pounds. The hitch with a 7-pin connector, 23,000-pound rear axle. All-wheel air disc brakes, 22.5 Michelin tires, and a 285 rear axle ratio. With a 120-gallon fuel tank, this is a serious coach for some long-distance highway travel. Remember, it's not just the engine, it's the entire chassis. Luxury Entegra coach on the inside. Kitchen, living area, bedroom, bathroom, finishes like you wouldn't believe. This coach is for the most discerning buyer. Serious truck underneath, large Entegra coach inside. Theater seats, fireplace, kitchen galley, great dinette, televator, and again, the Freightliner Cascadia chassis, 1,850 foot-pounds of torque. This gorgeous 39K floor plan offers a televator, a booth dinette that does make into a bed, 2 power theater seats by Villa, fireplace that heats, farm-style sink, kitchen galley, dishwasher, all soft close throughout, residential-style refrigerator, and of course a pantry directly across from the kitchen, and a master suite with washer and dryer. King-size bed, of course, whisper quiet air conditioning, automatic lit closet, enormous porcelain tile shower with a shower miser, hand-laid porcelain tile floor including electric radiant heating system, custom Villa furniture, adjustable air ride leather and driver's passenger seat. Standard AquaHot 250D is standard on the 39 floor plans. The Entegra coach offers a heavy-duty flush floor electric slide mechanism with 20 years of proven reliability. Standard diesel generator on the 39K and 39N, 12,000 on the 45D, and a standard 8,000 watt quiet diesel generator on the 39K and 39N. You already own one, and you're thinking about more horsepower, longer towing capacities, better highway driving, then the Centurion might be for you. Remember, more horsepower, more torque, more towing capability, and what a great chassis this is built on. Freightliner Cascadia. And that's what's going to get your job done with this coach. Okay, some of the warranties on the brand new Centurion. The factory warranty Entegra, they offer a double warranty, which is 2 years. The D12 transmission is a 5-year, 750,000 mile warranty. The axles on the Centurion, 3-year, 300,000 mile warranty on the axles. And of course, the Detroit engine is a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Anyways, in short, if you own an Accolade Entegra, or you are looking to buy an Accolade because it's a Super C and you want the ultimate Super C, give me a call. My number's down below. Carl Gwynn at La Mesa RV here in Mesa, Arizona.